Scandinavia's fastest growing motorboat brand, Delta Powerboat, has been a leader in design, innovation and sustainability since 2003. This award-winning shipyard is known for consistently producing seaworthy and extremely efficient boats ranging from 25 to 88 feet. Today, I have the pleasure to welcome you on board this flagship of the Delta Powerboat fleet, the Delta 88 IPS. This 2014 Delta 88 has just been put for sale, and we had the pleasure to take her out in the Bay of Cannes for some sea trials, photos, videos and the virtual tour. Now, there are hundreds of great things that I could share with you about this gorgeous 2014 Motor Yacht of the Year award recipient. But let's focus on our three top features on this boat. The first thing you will notice entering the saloon of this 88 Delta is the world-class Scandinavian designed interior. We have a mirrored laid out sofa design, and then over here the open plan galley connecting to the 8-seat diner table. And then you notice now further entering the saloon we have this 360-degree view around, and a lot of natural light is coming in also from the skylight above that you can open up for even more light. Let's go to the lower deck together and I'll show you the accommodation layout of this 88. There are 4 ensuite cabins here, including the master stateroom, VIP cabin and 2 twin cabins to port and starboard. What is unique to this model, you even have a separate laundry room, combined with a dayhead, and this we have never seen on a boat of this size. Wow! While the Scandinavian team at Delta has done a fantastic job inside, also they did exceed our expectation on the outdoor space and the configuration of this 88 Delta. And this is our second top feature on the Delta 88. Imagine entertaining family and friends out in this incredibly and large versatile bow area. I mean, look at the space around here. The exterior space on this Delta 88 is just an abundance. The spacious flybridge includes a helm station with unobstructed visibility and plenty of seating for socializing in the sun or enjoying drinks under the stars. Despite the beautiful interior and exterior design and layout, I have to say that my favorite thing about this Delta 88 is its technology and performance. This yacht is loaded with innovation, and it's made out of 100% of carbon fiber. That means it's extremely strong, and the material also contributes to a fantastic fuel consumption. Compared to similar sized boats, this Delta 88 consumes 40% less fuel. And that's not all. It's equipped with triple Volvo Penta IPS 1200s, and the carbon fiber machine reaches with this a top speed of a staggering 34 knots. Not to mention the benefits of the IPS for maneuverability and navigation. Another reason why this Delta 88 is an award-winning stunner. I hope you enjoyed the video of this Delta 88 fully made of carbon fiber with triple IPS engines. And one thing I really want to mention again is that the fuel economy is 50% better than any other boat in its class. So you can go cruising for 500 nautical miles, and at every speed it's the same fuel consumption in proportion to the miles that you actually do. So I'd really love to say thank you, and if you want more information, let's get in touch and send me an email, call me on my mobile, and we're here for you and to show you the boat.